beat, smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss me.
Hey sirs, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this very natural makeup look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so first things first, I'm going to be taking my Milani Prime Shield Primer and I'm just going to apply this to my face and blend it out. Okay guys, so now I'll be taking my Maybelline Fit foundation in the color 355 Coconut and I'm just dotting that all over my face, and then I'm going to use my Real Techniques Expert face brush to blend it out. Okay guys, so here I forgot to show the concealers that I'm using, but I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just going to add a little bit of toffee just to give me a little bit more highlight. And now I'm just going to use a buffer brush to just buff this out underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to be taking my Ben Nye banana powder and I'm just using a fluffy powder brush to just dust this under my eyes to just set it. Won't be baking or anything or adding too much because this should be very light. Now I'm taking my Mary Kay loose powder foundation and I'm just setting the rest of my face, and now I'm going to be using my Black Radiance True Complexion palette and I'm just going to highlight, and then I'll be using the contour shade to lightly warm up my face. Now I'll be taking my IT Cosmetics lip flush and I'm just going to apply that to my lips. This is in the color Pretty Woman, guys. And now I'm taking my Wet n Wild lip gloss and I'm just gonna apply that. Then I'll be applying my Victoria's Secret flavored lip gloss to top it off. And now guys, I'm gonna be spraying my face with my Fix spray, and then I'll be applying some mascara, and then that's the finished look. Okay guys, so that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and follow me on all my social media if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.